Welcome once again. I decided to make this short video in order to show you some tricks used in some link. When you click some link, you reach different website. This because you don't know where to click. So watch the full video to know the tricks. If you're new here, please click subscribe and turn notification bell into all so as to become notified for any future video. As you see here, we have very useful post here. The post is from Google Digital. As you see here, you can study now Google Digital Marketing online course for all students free of cost. So when you try to apply this, you see you end in another website. In that website, you are required to click something in order to reach that website. So here you are required to click apply now. You see, in this new website, they say please wait. So you should please wait for 5 seconds and don't click anything here except this is skip AD when they turn after 5 seconds. Click it. So in this page, don't click anything except when they say allow and denied. Click deny. And don't click anything else. See? Then you try to reach the website. But there are different things pop up. Don't click them. You see? We reach in our website.